If we're talking about the crème de la crème of the watch world, the name Rolex inevitably takes center stage. These babies are the epitome of exceptional craftsmanship, timeless design, and jaw-dropping prestige. But hold your horses, because we're about to uncover a thrilling twist: affordable Rolexes that won't break the bank. In a world where everything seems to cost an arm and a leg, the notion of an affordable Rolex might sound like a magical unicorn, a beautiful paradox, if you will. But hey, my friends, it's real, and it's happening right here, right now in 2023. As the global market dances to a new beat and takes shift, investing in watches has become all the rage. These timekeeping marvels, especially those with that iconic Rolex crown, have taken on a whole new role as assets that don't just tell the time, but also bring some serious investment potential to the table. Welcome to another episode of The Steady Ticker. Do you have a soft spot for watches? Subscribe now to The Steady Ticker and click the notification bell to keep posted on the latest news on different luxury watch brands and its industry. We create content on trivias, intricacies, history, and anything under the weather about luxury watch brands and their models. Today we will discover affordable investment pieces within the Rolex lineup. This is a must-see for an experienced collector or first-time investor, as we will unveil hidden gems that combine luxury and value. Without further ado, let's find out the top 5 affordable investment pieces from Rolex in 2023. Prepare for stunning timepieces that elevate your wrist game and promise appreciation in value over time. It's time to make a statement and invest in Rolex. Introducing the Rolex GMT Master II Reference 16710. The first affordable investment piece from Rolex. Produced from 1989 to 2007, this modern version of the classic timepiece holds significant investment potential. It was the last reference to feature an aluminium bezel before the introduction of the steel reference 116710 with a ceramic bezel in 2007. The reference 16710 came in various versions, including Pepsi and Coke bezels, as well as a fully black bezel option. It featured Rolex's in-house caliber 3185 movement, allowing for a slimmer case. Some later models even had the updated caliber 3186, with prices starting at just over $12,000. The reference 16710 presents an affordable opportunity for investment. Whether you choose an early model with tritium lume or later versions, it offers the classic GMT master style before the ceramic bezel era. This watch holds historical significance, an iconic design, and increasing demand for vintage Rolex timepieces. The GMT Master II Reference 16710 is a remarkable choice for both watch enthusiasts and collectors, appreciating in value and showcasing the enduring allure of the GMT Master series. Keep an eye out for this timeless addition to your watch collection. Now, the Rolex Submariner Reference 16610, our second watch on the list. This timepiece offers incredible value and great potential for appreciation in value. Compared to modern Submariners with ceramic bezels, the Reference 16610 is a steal. While the latest Submariner models cost around $15,000, the Reference 16610 starts at approximately $9,000, making it significantly more affordable. Produced from 1988 to 2010, this watch went through small updates, including changes in lume types from tritium to luminova and superluminova. For a vintage feel, go for the tritium models with the Swiss T25 marking on the dial. The luminova model simply states Swiss, while superluminova versions feature Swiss made. Prices range from $9,000 to $15,000 for the Submariner Reference 16610. In today's market, finding a Rolex under $10,000 is challenging, making the Reference 16610 perfect for budget-conscious buyers seeking a classic and desirable Rolex. Its enduring popularity, iconic design, and demand for vintage Submariners makes it a solid investment. If you want exceptional value and a vintage touch, consider the Reference 16610. This timepiece embodies the Submariner legacy, offering a reliable and coveted Rolex without breaking the bank. Let's talk about the Rolex Datejust Reference 16234. Another fantastic affordable investment piece. The Datejust is a popular choice for those starting their Rolex journey because it's versatile and reasonably priced. It effortlessly transitions from casual to formal occasions, making it a go-to watch for any setting. Our pick is the Datejust Reference 16234, introduced in 1988. It brought a fresh touch to the line with a sapphire crystal, while still maintaining that vintage Datejust charm. Later generations had bulkier lugs, changing the elegant aesthetic. The reference 16234 sports a 36mm stainless steel case with a fluted white gold bezel. Another option, the reference 16220, has an engine-turned stainless steel bezel. Both are excellent for daily wear, but we lean towards the white gold bezel for its appeal. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference. There are various dial colors and configurations available, including black or silver with regular hour markers. What sets the Datejust reference 16234 apart is its affordability. You don't need to break the bank to add this classic timepiece to your collection. Prices start at around $5,500 and can go up to $10,000, depending on the condition and dial rarity. With its timeless design, superb craftsmanship, and enduring allure of the Datejust line, the reference 16234 is a solid investment opportunity. It's a versatile and reasonably priced choice for watch enthusiasts or anyone looking to enter the world of Rolex. If you're after a stylish and versatile watch that exudes elegance and vintage vibes, the Rolex Datejust reference 16234 is worth considering. Its accessible price point and a range of dial options make it a smart investment you'll cherish for years to come. Alright, now we have here the Rolex Explorer 2 reference 16570, another sweet choice for an affordable investment piece. This bad boy constantly pops up on lists of watches that can increase in value over time. The best part? It starts at a pretty reasonable price of around $7,500, especially in Japan, where those kinds of prices aren't common for Rolex sports models. So if you plan on rocking this watch while waiting for its value to shoot up, it's definitely worth considering. The reference 16570, born in 1989, holds a special place in the Explorer 2 lineup as the last 40mm version of the model. It came with some juicy updates compared to its predecessor, the reference 16550. Powering this beauty is the famous caliber 3185, a technological marvel. In its later years, Rolex upgraded the Explorer 2 to the caliber 3186, making a few tweaks. The reference 16570 stuck around for an impressive 22 years before making way for the bigger reference 21670 in 2011. Over time, Rolex changed up the lume of the reference 16570, moving from tritium to luminova, and then to superluminova. Prices usually start at around $7,500 to $8,500 without the box and papers. If you want the full set, you're looking at shelling out between $9,000 and $12,000 depending on the condition. Considering the prices of newer Explorer 2 models, the reference 16570 is a killer deal. It's got the historical significance of being the last 40mm Explorer 2, plus a reliable movement and that trademark Rolex quality. This timepiece is a solid choice for watch enthusiasts and investors alike. So, if you're on the hunt for an Explorer 2 that could be worth a pretty penny down the line, keep your eyes peeled for the Rolex Explorer 2 reference 1670. With its awesome heritage and tempting price, it's a chance to own a watch that screams adventure and embodies the spirit of exploration. Lastly, let's check out the Rolex Explorer 2 reference 1655, our final pick. This watch is known as the Steve McQueen and is highly sought after and packs a punch. Introduced in 1971, the reference 1655 revolutionized the Explorer line. It featured a 24-hour bezel and an extra hand for tracking a second time zone, making it a hit with the cave explorers. With its unique design and historical significance, it's a collector's dream. Sized at 44mm with a GMT bezel, the reference 1655 sports a distinctive dial that may pose a reading challenge. It flaunts a 60-minute scale, big markers at 6, 9 and 12 o'clock, and a date window at 3 o'clock. The odd numbered hours of the 24-hour scale are marked on the bezel, adding to its allure for enthusiasts. Production ended in 1988, but the reference 1655 remains beloved by Rolex fans. Prices start at around $20,000 to $25,000, and with growing demand for vintage watches, its value is set to rise. With its unique design, historical significance, and growing collector demand, the reference 1655 is a sweet investment opportunity. Owning this piece lets you own a slice of Rolex history and join the ranks of enthusiasts who dig its distinct charm. We hoped this helped you discern on which Rolex watch you should start investing in at an affordable price. Remember, do your research, engage with the watch-loving community, and stay updated on the latest trends. We're curious, which of these Rolex watches is your favourite and the one you'll most likely have as an investment? Share it with us by leaving a comment below. Want to hear more about watches? Hit the subscribe button below to support the Steady Ticker channel, and click the notification bell to instantly know about our new videos on luxury watches. See you in the next one.